if the ladder is in this position, it can easily fall this way to the right, so one leg is higher, the other one is lower. To fix this problem, remove the shaft from that little opening, push up that portion. Now nothing is holding it, as you can see it is sliding, and to stop that, pull it to the left and insert a stick here. So now it's moving, insert a stick, and now it's not moving. Now the ladder will not tip that way. If you want, you can further increase it, but the angle is not too good. In this manner you might fall backward. And here is just a little bit better compared when it was inserted up there instead of here. So not much difference. So somewhere there, this angle is more equal. It's not leaning too much to the right and it's not leaning too much to the left either. Insert the stick onto the other side also. And now you can climb up. And this is holding you. To put everything back, just remove the sticks and insert that little shaft, that one back here. And now it's back to its original state. Here on the longer one, which has the wider leg, just insert it there. Here on the one which is moving, it will bump into this metal. So not there, but there.